Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know things look different, and that's the whole purpose and point of this video. I just want you guys to know that I am in the process of rebranding the channel, and it's called Easy Peasy Trading, as you can see. And it's an all about trading channel. I will not be mixing it in with other content. I wanted to stay focused on just the trading education, and I will be providing not just education, but a platform where you guys can communicate with me and each other. Also, I have created some indicators, but one specific one that goes with this platform that will help you guys see the market a lot better, and also trade on all different time frames, from the minute or seconds if you want to trade, down to the 15 seconds, all the way up to the weekly. If that's what you want to do, you can use the same indicator. It does have some of the no nonsense forex like structure, how we say confirmation one, confirmation two, baseline cross, but it's a little bit different. Okay. It's there's some ICT concepts built in, because ICT goes over the price action. And that's what I wanted to solve, the mystery of the price action. I wanted to demystify these markets, and I needed to go a lot deeper and to a smaller time frame so I could understand these pullbacks and why we get in and the candle does this and why does it turn around right away. So that's what I wanted to solve. And thankfully, I was able to figure it out. I was also able to teach it to my homeschool, my children. Even the 9-year-old, she understands what market structure shift or change of character, breaker structure, sweep looks like, fair value gaps. Like, she understands these concepts, these smart money concepts, and I want to bring them to you guys. So I'm going to bring them to you guys in the 12-week course. And the whole point of the course is to guide you all the way through to where you can get to the prop firm challenges, okay? And be more confident when you're taking these challenges. And you can trade, like I said, on any time frame. So we're going to focus, because you guys are my NFX traders, we are going to focus more on the 4 hour, just so you guys still have that time freedom that you need to just walk away from the charts. But I'm going to show you how to get in on the dips and on the pullbacks. Okay. So that is what I wanted to bring to you guys today. The actual Patreon membership launch will be today. So be on the lookout for that. Official notice. Well, basically, this video is the official notice. So just put it away. I'm going to have the first webinar training class tonight. This is February 4th, 2024. Tonight at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you are available, you can jump in. I will be recording this webinar. This is just an orientation, so you will get access to this. So I'll definitely share it with you guys afterwards, and then you guys can decide whether or not you want to come join me over there in the Patreon world. I'm new to this world, that world. So be patient with me when it comes to setting things up, right? I don't know if I'm going to use Discord or not. I kind of just want to stay in one place so I can answer your questions. There is a chat feature, so you guys will be able to chat with me. And depending on your membership, level, you'll have access to me a lot easier. So, and forgive me for I don't know how I tried to make a free tier, and for some reason I don't know, it didn't work. So it's like, I think, and I tried to go like $1.99, but it would not let me go that low. So I had to put something in there. So that's what that is for. But at the same time, it just makes sure that you guys are serious about connecting with me personally. So I guess that's why it's there, to help weed out the tire kickers. But I did want you guys to just explore. I know sometimes it's brand new to people, and I don't want everybody to feel like they have to just jump in and invest money right away without even knowing what they're looking at. But that's the point of my YouTube channel. You guys have an idea of what I do. And if you want to reach out to me and go a little further and get some more help and some clarity for me to look at your strategies, I'm even able to customize your indicators for you. All of that is available in the Patreon membership. So I wanted to keep this video under 5 minutes, and we're almost there. So again, I thank you guys for your patience. Thank you guys for your time. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the classroom. All right, talk soon now. Bye.